A plate. One plate. Some plates. A biscuit. One biscuit. Some biscuits. Milk. Some milk. Juice. Some apple juice. Wine. Some wine. A restaurant. An Italian restaurant. New restaurants. A lot of. Some milk. A lot of milk. Some biscuits. A lot of biscuits. There are a lot of plates on the table. There is a lot of wine in the bottle. They eat a lot of vegetables. Babies drink a lot of milk. My father reads a lot of books. His grandmother makes a lot of apple juice. A lot of my friends like food in that restaurant. They make a lot of wine in France. Much, many. There aren't many plates on the table. There isn't much juice in the bottle. Do you need many eggs for the cake? No, I don't need many eggs for my cake. Do you drink much orange juice? No, I don't drink much orange juice. How many Italian restaurants are there in your town? 1 or 2. There aren't many Italian restaurants in my town. How much wine can you bring? I can't bring much wine. Only 1 bottle. There are a lot of biscuits on the plate. There is a lot of apple juice in these bottles. Are there many plates with biscuits? Is there much orange juice? There aren't many plates with biscuits. There isn't much orange juice here. Are there many restaurants in that street? No, there aren't many restaurants in that street, but there are a lot of cafes. Do you eat much meat? No, I don't eat much meat, but I eat a lot of vegetables. There aren't many biscuits in the box. They need a lot of milk for the babies. There isn't much wine in this bottle. How much juice do you usually drink a day? There are 6 biscuits on the plate. How many biscuits are there on the plate? She drinks 3 glasses of milk every day. How much milk does your baby drink a day? She needs a lot of rice for that dish. How much rice does she need for that dish? I have 8 white plates. How many white plates do you have?